Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that is set to revolutionize the world of animation, high-powered motion capture, and character animation. Imagine a future where creating realistic character movements is no longer a complex, expensive process, but something that can be done by anyone, anywhere. Sounds like a sci-fi fantasy, right? Well, it's closer than you think. The advancements in AI technology have opened up exciting possibilities for the animation industry, allowing for faster, more efficient, and highly realistic character animation. So let's embark on a journey to explore the cutting-edge AI technologies, shaping the future of animation. Let's get started. Section 1. What is motion capture? Before we dive into the world of AI motion capture, it's essential to understand the basics of traditional motion capture, or mocap. In essence, motion capture is the process of recording human movements and subsequently applying these movements to digital characters or avatars in animation, film, video games, and other media forms. This technology has been instrumental in bringing virtual characters to life, enabling them to mimic human actions and gestures with remarkable accuracy. Traditionally, motion capture involved actors donning special suits equipped with sensors to track their movements in three-dimensional space. These sensors, often embedded in reflective markers placed on prominent points on the actor's body, capture the movement data, which is then translated into digital information. As the actor performs various actions, the sensors record the movement of each joint and body part, creating a comprehensive database of movement. This data serves as the foundation for animating digital characters, allowing them to replicate the captured human movements. To illustrate this process, let's consider a simple example. If an actor wearing a motion capture suit performs a walking motion, the sensors will record the movement of their legs, torso, and arms as they execute each step. This movement data is then processed and translated into a format that can be used to control the animation of a digital character. When applied to a virtual character, the recorded movements would cause the character's legs, torso, and arms to replicate the actor's movements, creating the illusion of a lifelike walking animation. Section 2. How is AI transforming motion capture? Now that we have a solid grasp of traditional motion capture, let's explore how AI is transforming this field. AI, or artificial intelligence, is rapidly changing the game in various industries, and motion capture is no exception. One of the most significant advantages of AI in motion capture lies in its ability to analyze and interpret visual data, such as video footage from standard cameras, eliminating the need for expensive and cumbersome motion capture suits. Instead of relying on sensors embedded in specialized suits, AI algorithms can process visual input from regular cameras to identify and track key points on the human body. For instance, an AI algorithm could analyze a video of a person performing a dance routine. By recognizing the contours and landmarks of the human body, the algorithm can predict the movement of various joints and body parts even when they are not directly visible. This prediction capability enables AI to generate a comprehensive representation of the movement, generating a sequence of actions that can be applied to a digital character. The power of AI in motion capture extends beyond just recognizing basic movements. AI systems can learn and predict how the body will move next, filling in missing frames and smoothing out rough motions. This predictive capability significantly enhances the quality and realism of motion capture, providing a more lifelike animation. Section 3. AI-powered motion capture in games and films. The integration of AI in motion capture has far-reaching implications for various industries, particularly for games and films. AI-powered motion capture is transforming the way animations are created, making it faster, cheaper, and more accessible than ever before. One notable example of AI motion capture in games is the critically acclaimed title Hellblade: Senua's Sacrifice. This game features a protagonist who displays remarkably realistic and nuanced facial expressions and body movements. The development team behind Hellblade harnessed the power of real-time motion capture technology to bring the character to life. By using motion capture suits and advanced tracking systems, the game developers were able to record the subtle gestures and expressions of a real actor and seamlessly integrate them into the virtual world. This level of detail and realism elevated the gaming experience, immersing players in a world that felt more alive and believable. Similarly, the entertainment industry has also embraced AI-driven motion capture to enhance the quality of CGI characters in movies. For example, in the latest installment of the Marvel Cinematic Universe, the character of Thanos was brought to life through a combination of practical effects and computer-generated imagery. The filmmakers utilized AI algorithms to refine the CGI characters' movements and facial expressions, ensuring that they align perfectly with the actor's performance. This integration of AI resulted in a more convincing and lifelike portrayal of Thanos, further blurring the line between fiction and reality. Section 4. AI for character animation and rigging. As AI continues to permeate various aspects of the animation industry, it has also made significant inroads into the realm of character animation and rigging. These processes involve bringing life to inanimate characters, making them appear as though they are moving and interacting with their surroundings. Traditionally, character animation and rigging have been labor-intensive tasks requiring skilled artists to painstakingly craft every movement. However, AI has emerged as a game-changing force in this domain, automating many of these processes and enabling animators to focus on higher-level creative tasks. Tools such as Deep Motion and Rococo leverage AI technology to enable animators to map realistic movements onto 3D models with minimal manual effort. These AI-powered platforms can analyze and replicate human movements, transferring them to virtual characters with remarkable accuracy. One of the key advantages of using these tools is their ability to automate several aspects of character animation. Animators can simply capture their own movements or use footage of other performers as a basis for their characters' animations. The AI algorithms then take over, automatically adjusting body mechanics, balancing weight, and ensuring that the character's movement looks natural and lifelike. This automation capability significantly speeds up the animation workflow, allowing animators to create complex sequences much faster than before. Additionally, AI-driven tools offer greater flexibility in terms of character design. They can accommodate a wide range of body types and shapes, breaking free from the limitations of traditional animation techniques. Moreover, AI-powered character animation and rigging tools are accessible to a broader range of users, democratizing the creative process and empowering more individuals to bring their ideas to life. Section 5. AI for facial animation and lip-syncing. Facial animation and lip-syncing are crucial aspects of creating expressive and believable characters in animation, film, and virtual worlds. Traditionally, these tasks have required skilled animators and voice actors to capture and reproduce facial movements and speech patterns. But AI is changing the game by offering innovative solutions for facial animation and lip-syncing. One remarkable development in this field is demonstrated by tools like Avatarify and MetaHuman Creator, which can track facial expressions in real time and generate accurate lip-syncing that perfectly matches speech. With Avatarify, for instance, users can create digital avatars that mimic their facial expression and gestures, opening up new possibilities for virtual communication and entertainment. This tool utilizes AI algorithms to analyze and replicate facial movements, allowing users to control their avatars with natural ease. Similarly, MetaHuman Creator, developed by Epic Games, offers advanced facial animation capabilities. This platform enables users to scan their own faces and generate photorealistic digital versions of themselves. MetaHuman Creator then uses AI-powered lip-syncing technology to map the user's speech onto the digital character, resulting in a seamless and lifelike animation. These AI-driven tools are not only transforming the way facial animation and lip-syncing are done, but they are also making these processes more accessible to a wider audience. They empower individuals without prior animation experience to create expressive and convincing characters, fostering creativity and innovation in the world of animation. Section 6. Advantages of AI motion capture. The integration of AI in motion capture brings forth numerous advantages that are reshaping the animation industry. Firstly, AI significantly accelerates the animation workflow by automating many tasks that traditionally required manual intervention. This automation capability enables animators to focus on higher-level creative aspects while AI takes care of the more technical and time-consuming elements. Secondly, AI-driven motion capture increases accessibility, allowing more individuals and smaller studios to participate in the creation of high-quality animations. By eliminating the need for expensive motion capture suits and specialized equipment, AI democratizes the creative process, opening it up to a broader audience. Moreover, AI offers greater flexibility in terms of capturing motion. It allows for the recording of movements in more natural and less controlled environments. This opens up new possibilities for creating animations that feature more organic and authentic movements. Section 7. The future of AI in animation. As AI technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, the future of animation looks incredibly exciting. The convergence of AI and animation has the potential to unlock new levels of creativity and realism. Imagine a world where AI-driven tools can generate entire scenes with lifelike characters in minutes, where complex animation sequences that once took hours to create can now be produced instantly. This may sound like a futuristic fantasy, but it's actually closer than you think. With the increasing availability of powerful AI algorithms and computing resources, the possibilities for animation are expanding exponentially. AI is poised to revolutionize the way animations are created, making the process faster, more efficient, and accessible to a wider audience. From indie creators to Hollywood studios, the animation industry is on the brink of a new era driven by the power of AI. That wraps up our exploration of the future of animation. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of high-powered motion capture and character animation. If you found this topic intriguing and want to stay updated on the latest developments in AI and technology, don't forget to subscribe and feel free to drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.